For decades, that one word, Photoshop, has been the undisputed king of image manipulation. It's not just a piece of software, it's a verb. But in the last few months, and especially in the last few weeks, a new challenger has entered the ring. It's called Nano. The question everyone is asking is, does this new, accessible, and incredibly smart tool mean the reign of Photoshop is finally over? So, what makes Nano so special? It's not about layers, sliders, or complex masking tools. It's about natural language. You simply upload a photo and talk to it. You tell it what you want, just like you'd ask a professional designer. I've been testing this myself. I took a standard daytime photo of the Eiffel Tower. My prompt was complex. I wrote, Cinematic Photoshop edit, high-quality HDR enhancement, turn the sky to night and also add auroras in it. Make sure it looks like a night shot, preserve details, and boost the color of the Eiffel Tower. In less than 30 seconds, it delivered. A dramatic, beautiful, and complex composite shot that would have taken a skilled artist at least 30 minutes to create in Photoshop. No layers, no masking, no brushing. Just one command. This new model also excels at specific, targeted edits. In another test, I uploaded a portrait of a woman holding a leaf. I asked it to make a series of changes. High-quality HDR style, increase contrast, boost the hair color to dark brown, put a soft light on the face, and increase the leaf saturation. It did it. Then, I continued the conversation. I asked it to change her eye color. Then I asked it to change the leaf to a maple leaf. And it did. It swapped out the object in her hand while keeping the rest of the image and the rest of my edits perfectly intact. This is the core of the revolution. It's not just generating an image, it's understanding an image. It sees the sky, the hair, the leaf as separate, editable objects. This is where Nano starts to look less like a toy and more like a true production tool. The argument for Nano being the end of Photoshop is built on three things: speed, simplicity, and accessibility. What used to take an hour of training to learn now takes a second to type. What used to cost $20 a month for a Creative Cloud subscription is now being built, for free, into the search bar and camera app on billions of phones. For 90% of users, marketers making a social media post, students creating a presentation, or just someone wanting to look better in a photo, Nano is more than just good enough. It's faster and easier than the professional alternative. It completely democratizes high-level image editing. But let's not delete our Adobe subscriptions just yet. In my own tests, I also found the photo generated is not high quality, it is under 500 kilobytes and lack detail. It's an incredibly smart assistant, but it's not a perfect artist. This is where Photoshop is still king: precision and control. A professional photographer needs pixel-perfect control. They need non-destructive layers. They need to manage color profiles for print, work with high-resolution RAW files, and use precise masking tools that AI can't yet replicate. In fact, Adobe knows this. They aren't fighting Nano, they're adopting it. This exact Nano model is already being integrated into the Photoshop beta. This isn't a replacement for Photoshop. It's the new generative fill on steroids. It's another incredibly powerful tool inside the professional's workshop. Thanks for watching.